Hey, what's up, Tron holder? What's going on? Today video is gonna be very branded now for all holder of Tron, because my brother, I'm so happy to see this. From last 2 days ago, my friends, to this coin is starting moving up for now, and they recover all the loss. So therefore, I'm so happy to see this, and absolutely, I hope all holders is also very happy now, because my brother, this coin is starting moving up for now. From last 7 days, change occurred, as you can see, my brother, minus 9.85% fails down, but in the last 24 hours, 16.28%. It's a really great news, but not just unique from 24 hour. This coin is starting moving upward now from last, my brother, from last especially 2 days now. But in last 1 hour, as you can see, my brother, this coin again fails down. So therefore, I will tell you holders to don't see the short fails, short jumps. Just in only, my friend, see the production, and absolutely after production, you better understand. So kindly take any decision before you take any decision. Research personally also. So my brother, I in this video I will predicate this coin. I will share my opinion, and absolutely I do technical analysis. So before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, this is the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this coin is completely, my brothers, take a very huge jump now after a very long time. As you can see, my friend, this coin is completely falls down from a 0.07 USD dollar. It's a very bad news, my friend. But again, as you can see, my friend, this time they take a huge jump now, and I hope you can see where they will recover all the fails, my friend. But let's see to what they do. But kindly holder, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my opinion is, please pause it now, and what's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box.